I am super excited to announce another live event on this YouTube channel. This one will happen on Sunday, May 16th at 10 a.m. Eastern, and I'm actually going to host Eric Lucrezia. Eric was the Director of Recruitment for the Global MBA program at ESSEC in France, and he's writing a series of books, 2 of which have already been published, on how to apply, get into, and get set up for your international MBA program as a foreign student. Eric, what can people expect out of this session, and what questions should they prepare for you?
Hey Avi, thanks for having me on your YouTube live channel. What I'm excited to be talking about is how to go through the researching and soul-searching process in terms of finding the right MBA program that's going to be the best fit for you. We're going to talk about some of the most important questions that you need to be asking yourself and to the recruiters in order to find that fit. So what does that mean, researching and soul-searching? Well, I invite you to bring some of your questions to the table and ask me live at the event on May 16th. Hope to see you there.